the Chevrolet Corvette. Let's be honest, this isn't a car. It's a rolling midlife crisis announcement system. It's the V8-powered scream for help you buy when your knees start making weird clicking sounds and your doctor tells you to eat more fiber. So, if you think you're ready for one, here's the survival guide to becoming a true Corvette dad. First, the uniform. Your old wardrobe is useless. You now require 3 essential items: immaculately white New Balance sneakers, jean shorts, yes, jorts, and a t-shirt from a random car show you attended in 2003. Tucking the short in is highly encouraged for maximum horsepower. Next is the sacred wave. When you see another Corvette, you must extend the 2-finger salute from the steering wheel. It's a pact between 2 people who both understand the struggle of getting out of a very low car. Fail to wave and your name will be mud on the forums. Finally, the defense. You must be ready to defend your car's honor at a gas station by reciting the sacred phrase. It's basically a Ferrari for a third of the price. So before you sign the papers, ask yourself, are you just buying the car, or are you ready to become the full cliché?